Right, Adam Nichol, it's my 2016 bike check. So, start from the top, got my Dan Paley signature grips, BSD, with my total GS bars, 9 rise with 29 wide, with my total team stem, 46 millimeters. And next up, the frame. It's the industry tailor-made in 20.6. Also tailor-made forks as well, with a cheap stock headset, I think. I don't know, some piece of shit. Alright. Okay, so for my wheels, I got black profile minis with vocal spokes laced to Alienation Skylark on the front, with a Alienation Black Sheep on the back, with KHE Park rear tyre and a KHE Dirt front tyre. Yeah. Alright, so last off, got my Colony Colonel V2 cranks in chrome with a Superstar 25-2 sprocket with KMC chain, a firmer bottom bracket, Alone Kingpin bars, and my bars. So, hello. Got my Alone Kingpin pedals with my Colony Colonel V2 cranks with 175mm, then a Superstar sprocket 25 tooth with a KMC chain and a firmer bottom bracket. And then moving up, got the Alexander signature seat and seat post combo.
Rings around? Go on, Emre. Yeah, keep high. If I land.
No. Alright, so thanks for watching my 2016 bike check. It's been pretty fun, I suppose. Here, sick. Woo! Ah, fuck.